Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a pattern profile in Autodesk Inventor software. Okay, go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch, select the exit plane, rotate the view. Now here go to circle command and select center point circle. Select the center point, make a circle of diameter 40 mm. From same center, make circle of diameter 50 mm. Okay, now escape. Now select both the circles, make them construction geometry. They are for reference. Now go to point command, select a point here and here. On both circles we will make one point. Now go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Now select this point and select this center point. Now they are horizontally aligned with this center point. Now from here go to circular pattern, select this point 1, point 2, go to axis of rotation and select any of the circle. Here we will take a count of 10 and press OK. OK. Now finish sketch. Now here we will make a new plane. So go to plane, take offset from plane, go to origin. We have previously taken exit plane, so select exit plane to offset a new plane and here give dimension 5 mm. So new plane will be at offset of 5 mm distance and OK. Now select this plane, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Now here we will project the outer points. Okay, go to project geometry, project this point, this here, select all the outer points one by one. Okay, all 10 points are been selected. Now finish sketch. Now from here go to 3D sketch. Now here go to spline, take interpolation spline, select this top point, select this bottom, select this top, select this bottom, select this top and select this bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom and this last top. Okay, so a curved profile will be made like this waveform. Now finish sketch. Now we'll do the same process with the inner circle also. So for inner circle, first hide this, so you can hide the sketch. Select this, right click, turn off the visibility. Okay, and sketch 2 also you can hide, turn off the visibility. Okay, now we'll construct it for the bottom sketch or the inner circle. From here go to 2D sketch, select this top plane. Now go to project geometry and project the inner points, inner circle points. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. Okay, now finish. Now we'll do the same process with this also. So from here take a 2D 3D sketch. From spline we will take interpolation spline. Start from any point. So if you start from here, or okay, we will take a reference here. Okay, we have started from here, this top point. So double click this 3D sketch 2. So here also we'll start from here only. Okay, from here we will start. Go to interpolation spline, select this point, select this bottom. Yellow points are the top points. Select the yellow point, the top point, bottom, top, and here bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, and this last top. Okay, now finish sketch. Now turn on the visibility of sketch 3. 3D sketch 1, right click, turn on the visibility. Okay, we don't want this plane, so select plane 1, right click, turn off the visibility, go to home. Now turn off all the sketches. Sketch 1, turn off the visibility, and here sketch 3, turn off the visibility. Okay, so these two curved surfaces will be left. So from front this will look like this. Okay, so now we will fill the material in this. So go to boundary patch, select curve 1 and select curve 2. Okay, and apply OK. Now this is a surface profile. So go to thicken. Here we will take a thicken of 2.5 mm. Okay, select body and select this body, or here you can take 1 mm. Okay, go to boundary patch 1, right click, turn off the visibility. So the surface profile will not be visible now. Select this face, rotate, and here select this bottom face. Go to appearance. Here we will take blue appearance, so take blue Weldment glossy, and for edges select this face, and here rotate the profile and select the inner face. Here we will give the yellow color, so yellow color will be here. Okay, now rotate the profile. Okay, so this will be the base profile. Now we will construct a copy profile of this. So go to modify, go to copy object, and here we will select this complete object. Here we will take repaired geometry. Okay, so a solid profile will be made. Apply and exit. Okay, now here you can see here a repaired geometry is being shown. Now go to modify, take move bodies, select this body. Now here you can see two profiles. From here we will select rotate about line, and the rotation will be of 180 degree, and for axis of rotation we'll take the y axis. Now you can see a new profile will be generated. Now press OK. So this will be the profile. Okay, now we want to pattern this profile. So go to pattern, and here we'll select body selection, pattern solids, select this body 1, select body 2, go to direction 1, select y axis, go to front view. Here we will take a count of 15 and the center to center distance 5.5 mm. Okay, and press OK. So this will be the pattern profile. So this was a basic tutorial to construct pattern profile. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.